What do you call a musician who's bad with money?
It's already funny. What do you call it?
Brokey Robinson.
What's blue and not very heavy? Light blue.
I hate you so much right now.
Ain't the heavy, you know.
What do you call a fish with no eyes?
What do you call a fish with no eyes? Dinner? What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter?
What?
An irrelevant. How do trees get online?
How?
They just log in.